I wanted to show you how to get 2 mews in Pokemon Red, Blue, and Yellow. You can get them earliest point in Cerulean City, pretty early on in the game. I only got 1 badge. First thing you want to do is catch an Abra in this area of grass over here. I suggest having a Butterfree that knows Sleep Powder, because Abra will teleport every time you find him, so put him to sleep first, then catch him. Then you're going to want to, you got to time this just right, so I suggest saving. But you got to walk up right as that guy was about to battle you. You'll see the exclamation mark come up. Your pause button won't work at this time. Son of God. Alright, well, I didn't want to fight this guy. I want to fight this guy. And you got to make sure he walks up to you. Don't walk straight into his line of sight. The game will freeze. He's got to walk. Now, the way this trick works, it's got something to do with, like, the last Pokemon you fight. I'm showing you guys the 2 mews, but I've done this all across the map and found all kinds of different Pokemon. Level 7 Blastoids. I've even gotten trade Pokemon like a level 7 Golem. Level 7 Gengar. Just all kinds of crazy stuff. I just explored around and tried this trick on different people. I'm showing you guys the 2 mews. So after you beat the kid Slowpoke, make your way over here. Your pause button pops up. I didn't do that. Bam. Mew number 1. Now Mew number 2. So we're going to go over here and do the same thing on this guy. Damn it. Oh, well, that sucks. Yeah, the timing can be tricky. Got it. You're also going to want to make sure that the last Pokemon Center you use is the one in Cerulean. If the last one you used was Pewter City and you use Teleport, you're going to end up there. Alright, now the second Mew. Oops, going the wrong way. We actually go into Misty's gym. And fight this swimmer. Sorry, I was trying to make this as quick as I can. Alright, and then after defeating him, make your way up here. Your pause button just comes up again. I didn't do that. And your second Mew, before you even have your second badge. This will work on red, blue, and yellow. Make sure you get that Abra. Like I said, Butterfree with a sleep powder will help that. Sleep powder will also help in catching this Mew. Good luck, happy hunting.